I'm starting to doubt them. And I've always said that the macroeconomists out there, even the prof, Muhammad Al Asharin from Cambridge University, they're getting a bit bullish now. From what I read, they're getting a bit bullish. But then 2 weeks ago, they were so super bearish, and things are turning around. They're getting bullish because, again, they're all lagging indicators. When they're getting bullish, I'm not sure what bullish, or is it the bullshit they're talking about sometimes? But they're always lagging indicators. It's always nice to understand what happened the last 2 weeks when you read their tweets, and don't use their tweets as forthcoming what's going to happen, because they can't predict. They don't have the ability or the bravery to believe. Okay. So now the impact. So back last week, why I'm saying enough is enough. I think it's about time to start slowly turning the tide to speculate on more on the bullish. I'm not saying it's going to turn bullish soon, but at least prepare for the bullishness that's going to be coming soon. Okay. So the impact. I was a bit worried when it peaked, but I noticed the accelerating coming down on the 20-year bond. 5.53. I hope it comes down at this point and starts hovering, so we can get into that zone of near to the 5%, and that's where we're going to start. But then again, with our earnings that's coming up this week, with Netflix kicking off, with TSMC kicking off Thursday, that will dictate where we go. The TSMC will dictate where our semi stocks will go. The Netflix will dictate our forecast for the forthcoming Max 7 and all the other tech stocks. So if Netflix comes in saying, we're doing well, subscriber is growing, we're expanding, we're spending CapEx, and our forecast is XYZ, everything's great. If Netflix comes, subscribers decline, consumer narratives decline, and we're concerned about the future, we cannot give you any forecast, we're going to pause it, then we're going to expect a really bad earnings season coming through. Same for TSMC. But the good news for TSMC is it's been shown that TSMC's revenue grew 50% again for this month. So that's good news on that side. I put an NDX versus the VIX chart on the weekly basis. I use the weekly now more than the 4-hour and the daily chart, because we're trying to prepare to see where we're coming from in comparison for the last 5 years or 10 years. So on the VIX, you can see the VIX is nicely coming down. It has eventually climax. It's coming down just now, and we are happy, and most of us bought round about this zone with whatever we had. We reshuffled, we de-risked round about that zone. I think I'm quite content with the portfolio configuration just now across my family. I hope that you guys are as well. You had the opportunity to shift and shuffle around. We might not be positive